Hi, I'm Jean. Reggie? Hello? Anybody home? I'm Rachel.
I don't sound like that. Today on Let Us Bake, we are going to be making
Pop-Tarts!
Here's what you'll need to make our strawberry Pop-Tart.
1 egg lightly beaten.
Some flour for dusting.
1 ball of pastry. You can find a great recipe on Let Us Bake Bits and Uncle Bob's.
We're making a slurry today, so it's a tablespoon of cornstarch and 2 tablespoons of water.
1 cup of icing sugar, a handful of your favorite colored sprinkles,
a jar of your favorite jam. We are doing strawberry Pop-Tarts, so our strawberry jam is on Bits and Uncle Bob's. Let's get started. Start by turning on your oven to 375 degrees.
Next, you'll want to prepare your pan. Line 2 baking sheets with parchment paper and set them aside. Now it's time to make our filling. You're going to take a cup of your favorite strawberry jam and add it to a pot. Now we're going to take this pot to the stove and bring the jam to a simmer.
Make sure you have your adult with you. Once your jam has come to a simmer, you're going to add a teaspoon of your slurry.
What's a slurry?
A slurry is a tablespoon of cornstarch and 2 tablespoons of water.
Oh. Once you've added your slurry to the pot, you're going to give it a stir for 1 more minute, then remove the pot from the stove and let it cool down. Next, you want to lightly dust your surface with flour.
And now it's time to roll.
Are you ready to roll?
I'm ready to roll.
Ooh.
Ooh. Ooh.
You want to roll out your pastry 1/8 of an inch thick,
which is about that big. Now, once your dough has been rolled out to 1/8 of an inch, it's time to cut your pastry out. We are going to use a handy dandy ruler found in your school supplies and a pizza cutter.
So you can pick any size you like, but we are cutting ours 4 inches by 3 inches. It's okay, it doesn't have to be perfect. So once your pastry has been cut into rectangularly like shapes,
it's time to put them on the pan. We're going to add a tablespoon of the jam in the center.
Once you've added a healthy dollop of jam to the center of each Pop-Tart, you're going to brush the edges with egg wash.
After Jean has brushed the edges with egg wash, it's now time to add the tops.
Consider it like little hats we're putting on. Once you've added the tops to the Pop-Tarts, we're going to seal the edges with a fork.
All right, Jean, one last step.
Cheers. You're going to take a toothpick and lightly poke holes on the top of each Pop-Tart.
You want to let the steam release from the Pop-Tart so it doesn't explode in your oven. All right, Jean, let's bake these in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes at 375.
Let's do it.
Jean, would you rather burp cupcake smells or cry chocolate tears?
Chocolate tears? Because then I could just lift my own head. What about you? What would you rather do?
Let's make the icing.
Because we're making a strawberry Pop-Tart, we're going to take our strawberry jam and add a couple spoonfuls to our 1 cup of icing sugar.
And this is going to create a beautiful pink color.
And you're just going to start stirring. Now Rach is going to slowly add, very slowly, some water. We're making a nice paste.
Now that the Pop-Tarts are cooled, it's time to decorate.
Let's put a small dollop in the center and use the back of your spoon to sort of spread it out.
It's always best to start out with a little and then add more. Now that our Pop-Tarts have been iced, it's time to decorate them with a sprinkle of your choice.
They look perfect. There's only one thing to do, Rach.
Sharesies.
Thanks so much for joining us on Let Us Bake. We hope you had fun, because we sure did have fun. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit that like button or subscribe time.